position at the wrong time. So they're trying to bide their time, jockey around, trying to keep the boats moving, because if they stop getting going in this light wind, it is hard work.
Just heard the audio from one of those boats saying, give me a countdown, give me a countdown, he says, someone else is time machine.
So they're talking all the time now, commenting on what everybody else is doing, and really making sure their crew is ready for action.
Okay, this is the countdown to the start. Who is going to cross the line with momentum? The Dartford sails for Groupe Edmond de Rothschild. Jenica out, sailing in slow motion, but it's all around timing now. It's looking good for the French team. Red Bull Extreme, on the picture. With 20 knots, they will be doing 20 knots, but right now, maximum air. Let's control information. Oman Air, I am told. Oman Air, I am told. Heading back across the line. Back there to Petra.
That's going to cost them this race. This is lighters. Every inch, every tweak they make makes a difference. Red Bull more away there really nicely, but this Groupe Rothschild that's to know that they've got a little bit more control out there.
What I'm liking is the Wave Muscat. The Wave Muscat, Lee McMillan, he's already been in the top two on this course. He looked good as he started. He started with good power. And look at that. Top left of picture, the Wave are just squeezed past Red Bull Extreme for risk.